For the last 3 springs, we've done our favorite trip up onto the Beartooth Highway to see what kind of turns we can get in before all the snow melts. We're lucky because we have to go through Yellowstone to get there. We normally get to see a few pretty cool sights before we get up into the mountains. Once we had our fun in the park, it was time to get to one of our favorite spots to camp, to weather the storm before we headed up into the pass the next morning to see what kind of skiing conditions we were going to find. And what do you know? Some classic spring conditions. Low fog, not very good visibility, but still a lot of snow. And now for the main attraction. Let's see what the Gardner Head Wall's like. Once we'd had our fun, it was time to head down to the lowlands and warm up and dry out for a few days. We headed down the Chief Joseph Scenic Byway and went over into Sunlight Canyon, which got its name because the only thing that could get all the way up it was the sunlight. Heading out for another tour off the Beartooth Highway. Gonna see about getting up on a ridge. Maybe go about 5 miles back. But if that's not fun, then we'll just ski a couple slopes. You! We're at the top of the Gardner head wall. It's June 5th or 6th or something. About to get some good runs in. When I say that, I mean probably one run. Have fun.